Alright guys, this is my first high-powered laser project in quite a while. Um, I ended up more or less duplicating Styropyro's massive uh, blue laser array and put it in nearly an identical housing, which is just an old radar gun. And I just happened to come across this at a junk sale as well. And my intention wasn't to just fully duplicate it, but it just kind of turned out that way. This is 125 watts. I don't remember what his was at, but this is definitely in the running for highest power handheld laser. And so what I'm going to be demonstrating on it today is some Radmax ultra high density radiation shielding. Um, and so let's see how this guy handles some lead shielding. And as you can see, it's starting, well, maybe you can't see because it's just too bright, but it is liquefying the metal. Let's see. Woo! Look at that. Some liquid metal there on the ground, but yeah, punched a nice hole in the ultra high density radiation shielding. This thing is nothing short of absolutely bananas. Um, I can't express how dangerous this device actually is. It's pretty much out of control. Don't recommend this build to anybody who isn't less than um, uh, incredibly experienced with laser systems, especially high-powered laser systems. This is probably the most high-powered semiconductor laser system that I've built. With that said, I do have another project that uses a different laser diode. And let's see if I can find it. Here we go. And this guy is much, much smaller. So this was the block size that I used for that other laser array. This is going to be the block size I'm going to use for this one. This one has 14 diodes. It's going to be about 75 watts, which is, significantly less powerful. But with 14 diodes, this array is much, much, much more compact than the other unit. So, even though it's lower wattage, it should be significantly higher energy density um, or power density in the beam. Um, it also will fit into something about the size of a pistol housing, a semi-large pistol. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the Nerf Rival um, receiver, except I'll be cutting the entire back of this off to make it, more or less pistol sized. And yeah, it'll be an incredibly compact unit. Um, but yeah, that's going to be my next project, and I'll be sure to post that when it's finished. All right, guys.